Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sara. Sara had a passion for digital marketing and wanted to find a way to make money online through her skills. She explored various avenues and came across digital marketing as a lucrative option. Sara learned that by using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, she could create engaging content that would attract a large audience. Sara started creating content that was entertaining, informative, and helpful. She used keywords and phrases to increase the reach of her content, making sure that it was optimized for search engines. As she continued to grow her audience, she began to monetize her content by partnering with brands and companies. She promoted their products and services to her audience, earning a commission from each sale. With the growth of her audience and partnerships, Sara's income increased steadily. She had achieved her goal of making money online through digital marketing. However, she didn't stop there. Sara continued to create valuable content that helped her audience succeed in their own digital marketing efforts. She always made sure that she included a pitch to her YouTube channel at the end of each video, asking her viewers to subscribe and join her community. In the end, Sara not only made money online through her digital marketing skills, but she also helped others achieve their goals. And it all started with a desire to turn her passion into a means of income. So, if you want to make money online with digital marketing and join our community, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.